breath for. It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream.
So for today, Liz and I decided to check out yung Franchise Asia Expo sa SMX kasi we're really interested to look for possible business ideas in the future. So madalas kami nagvi-visit ng mga ganito to get inspiration, to do research, and to inquire kasi gusto na rin talaga namin mag-business in the future. So baka if interested kayo, you can check out these kinds of activities in the future as well. Good morning. Good morning, Snow. Good morning, Snow. Snowy Toy. Barang kawawa na nangihingi ng pansin. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Sansa. Good morning. Good morning. Ay, nako. My babies. Hello. So nakakatawa, nagsasalita na ako. Wala pa pala, hindi ko pala naka-on yung mic. But anyways, happy Saturday. Hindi ako nakapag-tennis this morning because I haven't been feeling at my best dahil sa anti-allergy medication na tinitake ko. For the past few weeks, I've been coughing and coughing. Medyo itchy yung throat dahil sa allergies din, dahil perhaps sa weather or sudden change ng weather. Kakagaling ko lang kasi sa malamig na lugar. Tapos pagbalik dito, parang sobrang init kasi ngayon. So, I guess that's the reason. Pero, pinapakita ko talaga yung gulo sa kama ko. Bago ako umalis later on, I'm attending a party. I have to fix these things muna, yung mga bagong plans on damit. Ayusin ko lang siya. It's part of adulting. It's part of my usual activities every week. So weekend or at the start of the week, inaayos ko yung mga bagong plans or bagong labang damit. So going back, later on, I'll be attending a birthday party ng aking inaanak na si Solana Olivia. So I'll take you to that overall experience as well. See ya!
Ating proud parents. Grabe! Guys, agree ba kayo na sobrang ganda ng birthday party ni Ollie? Alright! Thank you so much daw sa kay ate. Okay? Are you guys ready? Isa pang malakas na yes. Are you... Kaya mo ba ito? Oh, pwede na yan, no, sir? Basta sumayaw.
So, kasama ko po ngayon yung number one fan ko, yung naka-blue po.
Ano po?
Number one fan ko po siya.
Opo, ako po yung nagsabi na bumili siya nito. Kasi para mapakinig natin sa buong madla ang mga saloobin ni Ryan.
Okay.
Marami po talagang laman na Yun po.
I think pangarap niya talaga mapunta sa YouTube, kaya binigay ko itong pagkakataon na to.
Thank you po sa lahat. Kuya Ryan, salamat po sa pagtanyaya sa amin dito.
And that's it.
Opo, sa dipon ko yung next na.
Hulihin niyo po to. Mali po yung pinarkingan niya. Kuya, grab! Yes. So, where are we off to?
Where we going? Wait lang guys.
Yeah.
Sabi mo
Post
na sa mga-
Ollie's birthday with the ninongs and extra. Ito yung isang ninong. Ay, hindi, driver pala namin, sorry.
Grab.
Siya po si Kuya Ides.
Kuya Ides.
Then this is Ina. Tagal po namin hinintay siya. We went out for some snacks and coffee after the birthday. Medyo nagutom lang kami ulit sa sobrang kasiyahan. I'm always grateful and I'm appreciative of people na hindi mo lagi nakakasama. Pero pag nag-meet kayo ulit, parang no time has passed. And I'm very blessed to have friendships like this. And I will treasure these friendships always. Sunday run today. Pagod ako. Usually, when the schedule permits, nag-workout din ako sa branch ng Fitness First sa Green Hills. Ang schedule ko talaga ng Monday, personal training or PT. Pero pag okay yung schedule namin ni Dom, kasi siya yung lagi kong kasama sa Green Hills, nag-workout kami sa Green Hills and then we check out yung high interval intensity classes ng core and strength workout. So, ang goal dito is to build your core, strengthen your core, and then also do some strength training for your arms, for your legs. So, kung makikita nyo dito, halo-halong klase ng exercises. Maikling time lang namin ginagawa yan, around a minute, and then marami intervals, pero maikli lang yung rest time around 30 seconds. Kasi yun yung goal ng exercises. And very energizing yung mga ganito in a span of 30 minutes. Ang dami mo nang nagagawa. Medyo nakakapagod. Pero after mo gawin, talagang you will feel energized and parang na-achieve mo yung fitness goal na gusto mo kasi ang dami mong nagawa in a short span of time. Ito yung pinaka nahirapan ako na exercise, core talaga. So, I think pawis ako dyan lagi pag mga core exercises. And then yung susunod naman, ito gustong gusto ko to yung RDL kasi nabibuild lalo yung legs ko. I think that's one of the strongest part ng katawan ko. So gusto kong nabibuild yun. And yeah, it was really worth it. Pagod. Init?
pagod.
Nag-enjoy naman kayo.
Enjoy. Yes.
Oh, may energy na.
May energy na kasi kakain na tayo.
Yung
katawan ay mo.
Yan. So, dito kami galing today.
Peng 40.
Bayaran na to.
Gano'ng katagal ang processing ng visa daw sa 7 days. Same pa rin naman.
Pero kung sa agency, di ba para mas mabilis? Parang 3 days lang yan.
Depende yun sa ano.
Bulk agency.
Oo. Kasi ako parang 4 days.
It's fun na nagiging bago yung bonding activities namin as we grow old, no? Medyo running na or badminton, but still, kung ano mga activities yan, it's nice to keep in touch with friends, stay in contact, and make sure na you're healthy for each other. Videoke time! Sabi niya, yay! I think this was a fun week overall, full of connections, reconnections, and meet up with friends. And I hope you get to spend time with your friends as well, kung ano man yung mga trip nyong gawin. So, always enjoy time with your friends. Hello. So that was the week for me. Medyo, actually, mas mahaba-haba yata yung na-document ko this week. So, from this week hanggang like half yata nung last week na document ko. Kasi hindi naman ganun ka-eventful yung mga nakaraang araw. Pero, yeah, it's part of my goal really to document everything that I do para sa sarili ko. Siguro, what I just wanted to say is that this was a good month, no? Parang end ng April na and pagpasok ng May. It was a good birthday month for me, a month full of good news, opportunities, you know, like I don't really share a lot of things online, mga magagandang bagay or whatever na nangyayari sa akin and whatnot. But I don't know, natutuwa ako kasi for example, bumalik ako sa pagmamasters, something na natigil ko for quite some time, na isang tabi ko siya, hindi ko siya nabigyan ng pansin. Tapos pagbalik ko, parang yung feeling ko nun, parang mas tumaas yung motivation, tapos parang okay, tama tong pinili ko na inaaral ko kasi it's something that I advocate for. I'm studying education. Ang focus niya is learning and teaching. So principles of learning and teaching, applications ng theories and different strategies for learning and teaching. Kasi sa ngayon, na-enjoy ko talaga yung trabaho ko bilang teacher, and I want to be able to help, improve processes or create policies hopefully in the future, para ma-better natin yung education system, or at least yung sistema sa mga schools or institutions where I work. Not saying na may problema sa sistema, but it's a never it's a continuous thing, 'di ba? There are always areas for improvement na pwede nating i-address. So natutuwa ako, and then nung first semester ko, na-happy ako kasi yung grades ko were really really good. Medyo scared pa ako nun. Tapos nung second term ko naman, my grades were also really really good. So parang okay, sige, pag gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo, no, parang maganda yung magiging results. If you really put focus, if you really focus and put your heart into it, maganda lagi yung results. Hindi man kasing bilis kagaya ng iba, kasi minsan may ano pa rin ako like parang kaunting inggit paminsan-minsan pag yung mga kasabayan ko or yung mga kakilala ko, okay, tapos na sila dito, ganito na nagawa nila. Nagkakaroon pa rin ng mga ganong moments, pero hindi ko siya hinahayaang maglinger sa akin. More on, okay, that's nice for that person. So ako naman, kaya anong pwede kong gawin, 'di ba, for myself. Hindi ko hinahayaan na kainin ako ng inggit, kasi pag kinain ka ng inggit, parang sayang yung buhay mo, saya-saya ng buhay, 'di ba? And then another good thing, yun nga, nag-birthday ako, and then to celebrate 40 years of existence, parang surreal. Parang dati yung mga iniisip ko, pag 30 ako, ganito na ako. Pag 27 ako, ganito na ako. Pag 35 ako, ganito na ako. Pag 40 na ako, nakapag-travel na ako dito. Parang wala pa akong nagagawa dun sa mga gusto kong gawin. Pero what I enjoy is that parang pwede ko nang magawa yung mga gusto kong gawin. Wala man ako doon sa mga, let's say, goal ko, or gusto kong maka-Europe by 40. Wala pa ako doon. Pero I know how I can get there. Gusto kong mag-PhD. Wala pa ako doon. Pero I know how I can get there. Parang it's more of like a realization. Ano ba yung strengths ko? Ano yung weaknesses ko? Ano ba yung mga gusto ko? And more importantly, ano yung ayaw ko or ayaw ko maging. I think yung ganong klase ng wisdom, it's something that you only learn pag medyo marami-rami ka nang na-experience. So yun, natutuwa ako kasi I'm very reflective akong tao eh. So from time to time, pag nagba-birthday ako or pag nagsa-start yung year, I reflect on the year that was, or ano ba yung nangyari for the past 5 years, 10 years, parang gano'n. So natutuwa naman ako as to where I am now. Hindi man ito yung expectation ko or na-imagine ko na kung nasaan ako at 40, but I'm happy that I'm in this point in my life at 40. And then to be able to celebrate it with family, to be able to celebrate it with friends, to be able to do things for myself, travel for myself, to be able to do a work na na-enjoy ko palagi, and to be able to do something na alam ko hindi lang nakaka-impact sa akin, but hopefully nakaka-impact din sa mga ibang tao or students na nakasalamuha ko. That's fulfillment for me, or contentment. And then pag pumasok din yung May, na very promising siya kasi I applied for a scholarship, and then na-approve naman yung scholarship ko, so at least mabawasan yung expenses ko sa pag-aaral. And then ano pa ba? Yeah, yung pag-continue ko sa mga fitness goals, yung goals ko for my mind, for my brain, kasi ngayon I'm attending a training to improve my knowledge sa content na tinuturo ko. And continuously nagiging self-aware ako sa kung anong pwede kong gawin for my body, for my health. And of course, nagko-continue din ako to work on myself. Ano pa ba yung mga bagay na kailangan ko pang i-improve in my personality, in my character in the future. And yun, I think that's just a short reflection of how the whole month of April, how it was for me, how my birthday month was. And yung mga learnings na natutunan ko, I'll continue. Hopefully, makontinue ko siyang madala through the rest of the year at sa mga susunod pang taon. And hopefully, ikaw, if you're listening to this, or if you're watching this, when you have certain milestones, when you reach certain milestones, or kahit birthday lang yan or start ng year, siguro maganda rin to reflect on it. Kasi minsan baka nagdudwell tayo sa mga hindi natin nararanasan, na nakakalimutan natin yung mga bagay na naranasan na natin. Na, okay naman pala. 'Di ba? Okay naman ako. 'Di ba? Content ako sa kung nasaan ako ngayon. At the end of the day, mas mahalaga yung contentment. I would like to think. Kasi baka katulog ang mahimbing tapos wala kang masyadong worries. Right? And I hope, you have less worries also every day, and that you continue to reflect on your life and improve yourself one day at a time. And that's it. Thank you.